Coming up, how I make this super easy pea trellis for less than $8 that helps your peas grow up, up, up to the sky. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Denise and this channel is actually a collaboration between my lovely daughter Ryan and I. And you might have seen a couple of my thrifting and vintage flipping videos, and I'll leave the link in the description below if you'd like to take a look at those. And you might have also checked out a couple of Ryan's videos, her baking and cooking videos. So I'll put the links to those below. Today I'm adding to my kitchen garden series of videos, and I'm out here, it's in mid-April, and I'm out here today and we're cleaning up and organizing, and that also means that I'm getting my trellises ready, the ones that I've made the past couple years, and I'm repairing those if they need that, but just generally getting those shored up. Now every year I put in a small 15 feet by 13 feet kitchen garden in my backyard, which I love. To maximize space, I make inexpensive homemade trellises for my cukes, tomatoes, beans, and such. And this encourages vertical growth rather than spreading across the ground. My pea trellis yields plump peas, and since peas are a vining veggie, they grow up to the sky practically, and they produce the most delicate and gorgeous little pea flowers. Today I'm going to show you a super easy pea trellis. Okay, so before I start actually showing you how I put this together, this is my trellis from last year, and it's about 6 feet high. So you can see on the bottom here, and this is the pea trellis, they're pointy on the bottom, so when I sink it into the ground, it should go in pretty well. And here is a quick materials list. You're going to need these 1 by 1 by 8 slats. That's what I buy. We'll ultimately probably be cutting these down, but start at the 8-footers, and I got these at Home Depot for less than $8. You're also going to need some nails, as you see here. You're going to need some nails, obviously a hammer, hacksaw, some twine, measuring tape, some scissors, of course some gloves. Grab your slats and cut them to 6-foot lengths, making sure to point one end. Then lay out 3 of the slats vertically, spaced about 3 feet apart. Next, nail down one of the remaining slats as your top rail. Continue nailing down the slats every 2 feet until you've used up the rest. By the time you're done, you'll have a sturdy 6-foot pea trellis, and the whole project took me about a half an hour and $8. Now let's get that trellis firmly in place. Start by marking out where each pointed end of the slats will go, ensuring it's even and squared up. Here. Then dig the holes for each end. Personally, I love using this bulb transplanter. It makes the job a breeze.
I can use that to bury it in again.
Once all the holes are dug evenly, hammer that baby into the ground until it sinks in and it can stand on its own. Not bad. Next step, fill each hole with rocks, then cover with soil, packing it in nice and firm. The aim here is to make sure your pea trellis is sturdy and stable.
Now I'll attach it a little bit stronger to the ends.
Now, take your string or your twine and tie it around each one of your trellis slats. This will give your vining peas something to hold on to. If you've got a fence nearby like I do, go ahead and secure the trellis to it using some ties. And there you have it, a solid and secure pea trellis ready to support your beautiful peas. All right, so this is basically what it looks like. It stands about 6 feet high. Like I said, I've fixed this one up. from last year. You can see there's a replacement slat right there. And I kind of boogered that together. But she's in there very solid. I'm actually kind of surprised how solid it came in there. I think the rocks really helped. And then it's secured to the fence. So I actually really like the way this came out. And this is my pea tree.